So you've got Rebel installed and you've seen a little bit of what it can do. Now let's get into the really good stuff. We're about to walk through your first truly powerful task, the kind of thing you probably got Rebel for in the first place. Let's dive in.
You know, this isn't just some hypothetical, far-off idea. It's exactly what you're about to do right now. We're not just looking something up in one app. We're going to pull intelligence from all your key tools to get one single, clear answer. This is where Rebel starts to feel like a little bit of magic.
Every conversation in Rebel kicks off right here, in a place we call the Spark. Think of it as your personal mission hub, a starting point that's built around you, your day, and your workflow.
Now, the Spark isn't just a blank screen waiting for you to type. It's actually an intelligent surface. It looks at your tools and learns from how you use Rebel to suggest really useful things to do. But to get those great suggestions, we first need to connect your universe of apps.
So let's get you geared up. And hey, connecting your apps isn't a chore. It's more like gathering your best tools before you head out on a quest. This is just a one-time setup, and it's what unlocks everything we're about to do.
And the process is super simple. You're just going to head to Settings, go to Connectors, and find the app you want to add, like Google Workspace or Slack. Click Setup with Rebel, a secure browser window pops up, you sign in, and that's it. You're connected.
To really get the most out of this first task, I'd recommend connecting your main work tools first. For most of us, that's either Google Workspace or Microsoft 365 plus Slack. Those are kind of the big three where all our daily priorities tend to get buried. You can add the other 70-plus connectors later, but starting here will give us the biggest impact right away.
And here's something that is absolutely crucial to understand: your privacy. When you connect these tools, you're using built-in connectors that run locally. What does that mean? It means your data, your passwords, your keys, they all stay right there on your machine. Nothing is uploaded to some server in the cloud. Your information stays private, period.
All right, with your tools all connected, it's time for the fun part, the magic. For your first real trial, we're not going to ask a simple question. We're going to ask something that requires genuine understanding across all those different sources.
And here it is, the question we all ask ourselves every single morning, right? What should I prioritize today? Let's see what Rebel comes up with.
Okay, first up, Rebel is scanning your calendar. It's looking for the hard deadlines, the meetings, the appointments that really define the shape of your day. Next, it's diving into your emails. And it's not just looking at subject lines, it's looking for urgency, for follow-ups, for conversations where maybe you're the one holding things up.
And finally, it scans Slack. It's looking for those urgent direct messages, those mentions in key channels, all those quick questions that can totally throw off your morning. It's gathering all the pieces of the puzzle.
Okay, let's just pause right here. What just happened wasn't a summary. A summary just repackages information. This was synthesis. Rebel took all this disconnected data from 3 completely separate places and created something brand new, a real plan, with context. And here is the result. Notice it doesn't just give you a list, it tells you why. You need to finish that proposal because the deadline is today. You need to get back to Sarah because she's blocked. That reasoning, that little word because, that's where the real power is. It connects the what to the why.
This is the key difference, right? General AI tools, they have limited context. You have to feed them information every single time. Rebel is different. It lives inside your work ecosystem. It already has the full picture through these deep integrations, which makes it purpose-built for exactly this kind of task.
Let's just take a moment to really let that sink in. You just watch your personal data from your calendar, your email, and your Slack get woven together in real time to create a reasoned, prioritized plan for your day. You just experienced something that ChatGPT simply cannot do. So now what? Well, let's turn the focus back to you. If you look at your own Spark screen now, it's not generic anymore, is it? It's now totally personalized to you.
Because your tools are connected, the Spark is now alive. It's populated with these personalized cards, suggested tasks based on your actual data. It might suggest prepping for a meeting it found on your calendar, or maybe drafting a reply to an important email it spotted.
This is it. This is the moment you switch from just watching to actually doing. Your Spark is ready, your tools are connected. So, what's your next move?
Take a look at the suggestions on your screen. Which one of those cards grabs your attention? Which insight are you going to act on first? Go ahead, click one. Your journey to reclaiming your focus, well, it starts right now.